Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm the representative of the group. I would like to introduce the members of this group. Here is Dewi Ayudhya Pitaloka, SOGPM, Firial Hana Safitri, SOGDPM, Cantika Nanda Permata, SCGGM, Imas Ismaya, SCGGW, Desi Rosia Fitriani, SOOLO, Bunga Faki, SCOOM, Imaris Maya, SCOOW, and I'm Devitria Eningtyas, SOODLO. Well, here we would like to share our opinion regarding should cigarettes be banned from society? Okay, let's start the debate. Okay, let's start from Dewi as OGPM. Dewi, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Dea. There is a growing concern about the negative impacts of cigarettes on society. However, whether it is reasonable to impose a ban on cigarettes, in my perspective, the cigarette ban is an effective method of ridding society of its detrimental impacts. Why? One cigarettes contain about 2,000 chemicals, 200 types of which are carcinogenic. That is substance damage genes in the body, causing cancer such as lung cancer, emphysema, and chronic bronchitis. Half of the world's smokers are affected by smoking-related disease. When smoking in public, other non-smokers will be exposed. Cigarette smoke was not strongly associated with the smoker. The earth that many want to save is also at great risk. Smoking causes environment pollution by releasing toxic air pollutants into the atmosphere. Emissions from burning cigarettes include various toxic compounds which increase air pollution. Cigarettes are actually widely known to the public as one of the leading causes of death in the world. Cigarettes also not only give negative effects for people who consume them, but can also be harmful and have negative effects for people around smokers. Thank you.
Okay, please for the opposing team to respond.
Okay, as we all know that the impact of cigarette smoke is very dangerous of the health of lungs and other organs of the body. Smoking ban is a policy that prohibits smoking in the workplace and public speech. Smoking can cause addiction and can be harmful to health because of the nicotine in cigarettes. Previously, we did not agree that cigarettes should be banned from society because now Indonesia is the third country with the highest number of smokers in the world after China and India. Suddenly, there are about 17 million active smokers and 17% of them are adult men. So why are cigarettes not banned by the government? Yeah, because cigarettes pay the most tax to the government and cigarettes excise tax really help increase state revenue uh, for the development of people's welfare. Thank you.
Well, for the government team to respond, maybe please.
Okay. In addition, although there are some economic gains from selling cigarettes, the sizable economic losses are usually associated with the effect of tobacco smoking, such as the cost of healthcare and environmental protection service and decreased labor productivity. Some of the things that happen to the body when cigarette smoke is inhaled include your blood pressure and heart rate will increase. However, the blood flow to your capillaries is reduced. Oxygen levels in the blood decrease because the carbon monoxide in the blood actually increases from cigarette smoke. Exposure to chemicals contained in cigarette smoke causes find higher in the respiratory tract to be damaged. In addition, the smell muscle in the respiratory tract will also continue to contract. The immune system is weakened, making you susceptible to various infectious diseases. Cigarettes have several effects on smokers, one of which is lowering the immune system. Decreased immunity is characterized by a lack of the body ability to fight germs that cause infection that enter through smoked cigarettes. When a person smokes without realizing it, the organs and components of the immune system are damaged so that they cannot work properly when the body lacks essential intakes such as antioxidants and oxygen. Thank you.
Well, the next opinion will be explained by me. Well, I will explain further the explanation that has been conveyed by my colleague Desi. Cigarette excise is still the largest contributor to state revenue from excise. In fact, custom note, the contribution of cigarette excise tax reached 96%. It is undeniable that the existence of this industry is a pillar of state revenue. This is reflected in the excise revenue target in 2021 reaching 180 trillion Indonesian rupiahs and is expected to increase again this year to 203 trillion Indonesian rupiahs. As stated in Law Number 39 of 2007 concerning excise, excise on tobacco products has a broad scope such as sliced tobacco, cigarettes, cigars, and HPTL. Even so, the role of cigarettes still dominates. Finance Minister Sri Mulyani Indrawati said the increase in excise rates on tobacco products or cigarettes excise was carried out to protect public health, where the tariff will increase by 12% in 2022. According to him, cigarettes are a dangerous product that must be kept away from the public. That's why the government doesn't close the cigarette factory because so far the cigarette factory can be closed because cigarettes provide a hope excise income for the country. Not to mention from the point of view of VAT and the income tax of cigarettes entrepreneurs is one of the highest in Indonesia. Thank you. And the next for the opposing team, for the government team to respond, please.
According to the article I read, the smoking community is aware that tobacco use a cigarette has the potential to be a source of disease and disrupt the health of themselves and the surrounding environment. Cigarettes are not only dangerous for smokers, but also for people who accidentally inhale smoke or passive smokers. From cigarettes smoked by smokers, the impact will be even more dangerous for passive smokers than the smoker himself. We must admit that the industry that produces cigarette products is a legal product that also fulfills the obligation to pay taxes to the state. The cigarette industry also participates in building and developing the workforce in Indonesia. The cigarette industry also buys tobacco produced by farmers as the main raw material for cigarette products in addition to chemicals which are part of the raw materials for cigarette productions, so that the cigarette industry is part of the place to depend on as a livelihood for the people involved in the process of the cigarette product itself. On the other hand, the cigarette industry also directly and indirectly participates in creating source or diseases that plague humans as part of the impact of cigarette smoke without euthanizing human. From children to adults, from women and men, the cigarette industry is also one of the industry that creates products that are harmful to human growth and development, both individually and socially, so that the cigarette industry is part of an industry or capital corporate that participate in violating basic human rights to life, healthy, and breathe clean air, indirectly taking part in depriving human rights of life as a result of exposure to cigarette smokes. Thank you.
Well, from the opposing team to respond, please.
Okay, a smoker is never forced to smoke by the manufacturer. Cigarette products are goods that are controlled, so they are not free to be consumed. Control is carried out through excise duty imposed on cigarette manufacturer. In addition, there is a requirement to include a health hazard warning on every cigarette package. The existence of controlling cigarette consumption through the withdrawal of excise show that there is no element of caution to smoke cigarette. In addition, the smokers themselves are also made arrangement, among other, through the provision of smoking cigarette only in certain rooms. The regulatory fee for smokers is taken from the excise tax imposed on cigarette manufacture. A smoker who is sick because of smoking has been warned outside the package about the dangers of smoking. So it is the person's fault that they still want to smoke even though they already know the risks that will be obtained. So far, many people feel that the issue of tobacco only from one side. For, for example, the health aspect. In fact, there are aspects of state revenue in the form of excise. There are industrial interests. There are interests of tobacco farmers and millions of workers who must also be considered. All of these interests are seen in a long-term framework, referring to the industrial roadmap prepared by the government through the Ministry of Industry, namely how to harmonize state income, industry, labor, and health. Unfortunately, this matter was never seriously discussed. Finally, there are certain groups who rate tobacco so badly. Thank you.
Okay, for the government team to respond, please.
Okay, cigarettes are the least active fact in the story of human situation. However, most of the world, which countries are making progress in reducing smoker rates and overall consumptions. In addition to reducing human suffering, eliminating the sale of cigarettes will result in savings in healthcare costs. Elimination would stop one of the main sources of corruption in modern civilizations, and would effectively eliminate one of the historical forces behind the denial of global warming and environmental obscuration. However, the main reason for the elimination was because smokers themselves did not like the fact that they smoke. Smoking is not the recreational drug, and quitting smoking will therefore magnify rather than limit human freedom. The elimination will also help cigarette makers fulfill their repeated promise to stop productions if cigarettes are proven to cause them. Thank you.
For the next, please for the opposing team to respond.
Okay, as Chantika pointed out, cigarettes can be harmful to both the health of self and the environment. Why then are cigarettes still legalized by the government? Yes, the tobacco industry also plays a vital role in the country, as cigarettes pay the highest tax money and assist in the employment in Indonesia. If cigarettes are banned by the government, then many who formerly work at the cigarette mill will be employed, as well as tobacco farmers will find it difficult to find new jobs. That would be possible for the government. Therefore, cigarettes should not be banned from society. Don't look only at the cigarette's ugly side, but the good side is more visible. That's all from you. Sorry if there are still many mistakes from our group. Thank you.